Welcome to the Mint Customs workshop. There's no time to sit around drinking tea today. We've got to load up the vans and head out into the real world. So we are on our way to Old Town Stevenage. We're having a day out of the workshop and we're hoping quite a few people are going to show up. Yes. If you're into bikes and live in England and you're unsure where we are heading in the Old Town Stevenage, where have you been for the last 40 years? Bike Stop had kindly asked us to join them with their 40th anniversary. This was a day to meet up with some friends, meet up with people that have bought motorcycles off us, people that want to buy some bikes maybe a couple of them will be for sale, but also to meet some YouTube fans that watch our videos, and it was so cool to get some feedback from them about the videos and stuff we're doing and the launch of our new merchandise. Head over to parrybrothers.com to grab yours now. Welcome to Bike Stop. It's just got a little bit quieter because they organised a ride out this morning. We're hoping some Mint Customs bikes are going to show up, and we've brought down 4 of our own bikes as well. Bike Stop is a cafe, and they also sell all types of levers, equipment, accessories. It's a great little hangout if you fancy a ride out with your mates and a coffee. Hopefully today's going to go well. Let's go and have a look around some motorcycles and find the old man. It's a cool collaboration because we both believe in the same goal. We both enjoy being around motorcycles and they have such an awesome little business. We went for a tour around their shop to have a look at some of the stuff they sell. Their levers, the jackets, the crash helmets. They sell all of the top brands as well. Their cafe's awesome. Their coffee is lovely. And if you're ever in the area, you must pop in because they are a great bunch. Basically, we're trying to get enough footage together. We're going to make a whole video of today. Rather than like adding it into an episode, we're going to try and produce a whole video of what we're doing today. If we can get.
Do you want a sneak preview of our 40th cake then?
Yeah, let's see the cake.
You want to see the cake, alright? You have to walk this way though. It's upstairs.
Okay.
Alright, can we go back up?
This way.
Somebody think that suited you, I'm not so sure.
You got a popper. We need to pop that back on. Or is that the look?
No, that's the look. Otherwise, I look like the guy down the road, don't I? But I'm 40 years younger.
Otherwise, you're going to look like him.
No, he looks cooler than me.
Where'd he go?
Hold on. Bring it out.
Gonna do a reveal.
Looking good, Larry, looking good.
Wow.
So, it was made especially for us because this is our, so we've got a bit of a Donese gear, HJC gear just to show you, but yeah, that's our 40th cake.
And all of that's edible as well?
All of that is edible, yeah, you're looking at that.
Wow.
Awesome.
And actually, I know it's a shame actually the front of the box is on there, but I'm a bit, but yeah, it's a tar and chain and oil, and there's a boot down the side there, but yeah, all right?
Yeah.
Wow.
We've put it on the map, we've got to put it on the map, so events every weekend, but yeah, kicking off with you guys, so a brilliant bit of help there, but there you go. All right, thank you. Excuse me.
The 4 bikes we took down and put on display were the Mint Bling. No, it's not that bling. Where's our Mint Bling? Ah, there she is. The S&S Limbo, which Posh owns, the Cheesy Chop, and the Rothmans Honda Hornet. If you want to see these bikes in more detail, you can head to our website. We have a full gallery on there. What a day.
What a day.
I haven't had time to think.
Now, it's our 3rd one. We couldn't do it without each other, and it's a lot of fun. It really is. It just is nothing more than good coffee, good bikes, and good banter. Honestly, It's all about that. And I mean, I couldn't believe the crowd we had down here at like 10 o'clock. In fact, we were waiting for him, like waiting for the Queen, it was.
We weren't waiting for me.
Oh, well, who were we waiting for?
We were waiting for him.
Well, and the bikes, yeah. All right, I won't go into details. But needless to say, we didn't move any of the cars out of the way until he turned up, put the bikes on display. I reckon we've had about 100 bikes here today, plus, but they rotate round. And it's just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
It is good. I love doing these. One is it's time out at the shop.
Yeah.
It's time out at the shop, and you can actually just not do anything all day, which is really good.
Just chat to people, mingle.
Talk absolute bollocks.
Yep.
which I am fluently good at, and see some really cool bikes, because we don't get out to see cool bikes unless we're doing a show or a meeting here or whatever. So.
What I think is the bit that struck me the last time actually, and again today, is the mixture of bikes is insane.
Yeah.
We've had two-strokes, we've had old bikes, we've had new bikes, we've had custom bikes, we've got absolutely everything. But the only thing I can think of that we didn't have this time was a trike. But last time we had a couple of trikes in it. But the phrase that just captures the event to me is Bike Stop has been maybe known for maybe sports bikes in the past.
Yes.
And we had Harleys here last time, and they said, you know what, now we know you do this sort of event, we'll always come. And you put the word out there and look what happens. It's just insane. Absolutely insane. The little magical bit, if I may, for this one was it's our 40th birthday celebration, the shop's 40th.
Oh,
and I couldn't think of a better partner to do it with than young Mr. Parry here.
Thank you very much. That's
No,
very nice.
No,
I've been coming here for probably all of those 40 years.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've never bought anything.
No,
bought anything.
No, I've noticed that. Right, get in there now, mate. Oh, bloody hell. Give me his wallet right now.
I want your discount.
Yeah.
And then I will.
Don't. That hurts. That cuts me very quick.
Discount?
I'll go over there and get a bloody discount on one of them bloody mint customs in a minute.
Yeah, I'll do you a deal.
Yeah, thank you, mate. Yeah. Well, do what I do. Put the price up first, then take it back down
That's
again.
it, and then go,
I know
"Where's
you,
rock
mate.
bottom?"
I know you.
Rock
Thank you
bottom.
very much indeed. See you next time, all right?
Sure.
We would just like to thank them for inviting us down. We had an absolutely awesome day. We are hoping in the future we can arrange some more events. You can stay up to date on our website or our social media. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.
What's happening inside my shoes from the other point of
Oh, see that film you stuck in there next to a beautiful shop for there. And it's remarkable, like Mr. Fonda's. The bone as well. Hey, what's going on here? Is that yours?
Yeah, built, not bought.
Absolutely, but yeah, I like that.
See?
Does it sound nice?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's hear it. We always like let's get some noise down this end. Come on. Here, hold it. I've got it. Built, not bought. Did you hear that?
Apple pie's going to be a build stuff.